Greetings, and this is Manish from Test Prep Card. As we are all aware that every year thousands of students in Middle East they attempt SAT-1 in order to get to the best of the universities in US, UK, Canada and Singapore. And for that they need to write SAT-1. It is important for all of you to know that SAT-1 has changed right since 1st of April 2016. Now instead of 2400 it is of 1600 where you write papers of math, English and essay. This is it. In order to get to the best of the universities in all these places which I mentioned earlier, you require a very good score. I mean to say if you are getting 1500 plus out of 1600, then you can get a good university. Test Prep Card has designed very innovative courses for students in Middle East and in India. We have got 60 hours, 90 hours, 120 hours and 150 hour courses for SAT-1 as per the requirement of the student. So let me define the pedagogy which is very important. For example, if it is a 60 hour or 90 hour course, here what you do that a 60 hour course is divided into 30 sessions, 2 hours for each session. I mean to say 30 hours for math and 30 hours for English. If you want it can even be changed. I mean 40 hours for English and 20 hours for math. Each session is going to be of 2 hours. What we do that in a 60 hour course, if there are 30 sessions and there are 40 hours for English and then there are 20 hours for mathematics, it means there are 20 sessions for English and there are 10 sessions for math. So what we do that we upload 30 full-length paper of SAT-1 in your account. Before coming to the session, you do these papers, you attend this paper session wise and its doubts, whatever are filtered out, is discussed with the teacher. This way your time is saved and you practice maximum of question. You should be knowing that each full-length paper, it has got at least 180 questions. So can you imagine that after 30 sessions, we have done 5,400 questions. Can you imagine? This is the merit of this course. Exactly 1 month prior to the date that you have booked for SAT-1, we activate your online test series. Even in this, each test is of 180 questions for math as well as English. Essay is also there. So 20 tests for SAT-1 which is online with in-depth report and comprehensive analysis. So 3600 question before the test and 3600 question in order to give a final punch to your preparation for SAT-1. Altogether 7200 questions for this SAT-1 examination, that also in this 60-hour course. Isn't it a course that is quite innovative and that is something like where you are being diagnosed at each and every moment, right? We have given more than 2000 results in SAT-1 and the average score with the Test Prep Card is 1500 plus out of 1600. So I would like to tell you to explore more, and in order to do this, you please visit our SAT section on testprepcard.com. You can also write to info@testprepcard.com or just drop us an SMS or just give us a call on this number 9999 001864. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot from Test Prep Card.